What's the meaning of adjectivally? Adjectivally. Adjectively. 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 The word adjectively is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is being done or expressed as an adjective. The use of adjectively typically indicates that the speaker or writer is referring to how a noun is being modified by an adjective, or to the way in which an adjective is being used to describe a noun. Overall, using adjectively enables writers and speakers to more precisely convey their meaning and accurately describe the properties of nouns in their sentences. It emphasizes the importance of adjectives in language and helps to clarify the relationship between nouns and their descriptive words.